In this video, I'm going to show you how to move a game from a drive to a different drive in the Epic Games Launcher. It's very easy to do, but try not to skip any steps. The first thing you want to do, of course, is to open your Epic Games Launcher, go to left-hand side on Library, and select the game that you want to copy to a new drive. I'm going to use Fortnite. So you click on the three little dots and it says Fortnite, you hit Manage. And from here, this screen will come up. Next to installation, you'll see a little icon that says open installed location. Click on this and you'll see a couple of different folders, including a folder with the name of the game that you want to move. That's great. So what you want to do with this is right click on this folder. On the very bottom here, it's going to say show more options. Click on this. From here, you want to click on the copy button, right? So you copy it and then you move this to a completely different location. And you can name it something like Fortnite Game 1. It doesn't really matter. Okay, now what you want to do is go back to this and you want to uninstall it. So to do that, you click on the three little dots right here and you click on uninstall. After it's uninstalled, what you want to do is click on install. And then select the drive that you want to install. For example, D. I can't do it because I only have C drive, but press D here for example. And then hit install. Now once it starts installing, you want to hit the pause button immediately. Now after you've done that, go back to the folder that you just made, Fortnite Game 1. Select all, so press Ctrl A to select all the files. And copy them over into the new installation directory. Now after you've done that, go back and resume the installation, and the installation should complete very quickly since it doesn't need to download the files. And that is it. If this helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe.